This is a gel blaster. Not just any gel blaster, but the most realistic gel blaster you can get for a 14 plus. Okay, so first let's take a look at all the things that you get in the box. Now place a guess of the price, and at the end I will tell you the actual price. So here are all the things that you get in the box. And now let's take a look at them one by one. So first up we have the gun itself, of course. And then you get the battery. Now the battery is quite a downfall for the gun, and the reason is that it's not that powerful. I mean, look at this battery, which also comes in the same gun price range, which comes with this gun, and it has way more power. I mean, if they could just make this gun be able to power that battery, it will be way better with way more power. We will look at the power later on, but the next thing is the silencer. Now this thing is just for show, and without it the gun looks more realistic and better, but I mean it does make the gun look bigger, so you can apply it if you want. And then next up we get the main thing, which is the bullets. Now this gun comes with about 3,000 bullets, which is honestly amazing. I mean, all the normal guns in this price range come with 1,000, and you get 3,000 in this one, so that's pretty good. And this is how it looks like when they are fully grown, and they are honestly amazing and great quality. And then you get the little bottle that you put on the top, and this can store up to about 400 bullets, and that's the docking thing that you attach the bottle onto, which is also well built. And then next up you get this little strap, which you can just clip onto the gun and maybe hang it in your room for decoration. And then you get this magazine, which basically has no use because you are going to put your bullets in the bottle, but it's pretty cool. It gives that realism to the gun, and this is how it looks like well applied to the gun. And then you get this little cable which you pop onto a charger and glows green when fully charged, and that's the thing that you dock it into in order to charge your battery. And then you get these little glasses which will fit with basically everyone, because it is 14 plus unless you are like 8 minus or under 8. And now let's take a look at the whole gun. Well, everything is attached. Okay, and now let's talk about all the fun stuff. So as you can see, it has a good build and 2 modes. This one is semi, which you pull back that lever and you can shoot. And then we get to the next mode, which is auto, which is when the battery takes over and now the motor is running. Next thing I noticed is that this thing has a crazy trigger. It is really smooth. But on semi mode, it's like a Nerf gun. Okay, so now we're gonna take a look at a lot of slow-mo footages, and we're gonna take a look at accuracy and also power, and we'll compare it to my other gel blaster, which is a little bit more powerful than this. This thing shoots at 80 FPS, which is still hotter than most toy guns in the market, 5 FPS hotter. And it's actually pretty good, but I think because it is motorized, so it should be about 90. Now let's compare it to my Jawa AK-47, which shoots at 100 FPS. Now let's test the power. I will be shooting it in water. Same thing, but with the gel AK. And remember, it only has one mode, which is auto. now let's try the accuracy test. And now at the end of the video, it's time to reveal the price. Now this gun costs $45. And before you rage at me in the comments, it's 45 NZ New Zealand dollars. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. And if you want to support me, please check out my channel and subscribe. Thank you so much.